How would you like it if you could get access to 4 different white label software that you can sell as your own software on your own domain with your own logo under your own brand with a sales page with everything automated that when somebody purchases, accounts are being created, etc. If that sounds interesting, stay tuned. Today I'll be reviewing MicroSAAS AI, which is a platform, a white label platform that gives you these 4 software. So here you can see the first software. This is AI affiliate app, which allows you to create affiliate campaigns, or you can sell this so that your users can create these affiliate campaigns. The AI image system, which allows your users to create AI images and also modify them, put fonts on it, change it, create banners for Facebook, TikTok, etc. The next one is AI content builder to build content campaigns, and then also AI social system. These are the 4 software that you can get access to, white label access to, for a ridiculously low price. Now, in case you're interested, make sure to check out the link in the description where you can find more information about the products. You can find product coupons on the page, my bonuses that you're going to get if you pick this up through my link. So make sure to check that out. For now, let's dive into the application and let me show you what it is and how it works. So right now I'm logged in. When I go to my home, this is what you can see in here. But basically how it works is like this. First you go to manage domains, and here you can add your own domain. Now, if you do not have your own domain, don't worry, you can also use their domain name to run these apps with your own brand as well. So that's that. Now, as you can see here, I already deployed one on their domain. As you can see here, in this case, I choose exclusive software lab online bonus. Now, when you want to do this, you simply click on here and you say deploy, and here you simply say which domain of you would like to use. So these are the domains that are being provided, and if you add your own domain, it will be listed in here as well. Basically, you create your own SaaS application, your own white label application. Now, as you can see here, I have access to 10 different white label software, but the ones that come with MicroSAAS at the front end are the affiliate system, the content system, the image generator, and the social system. So let me show you the 4 different applications so you can see what software you're getting that you can sell. So the first one is the affiliate system. Now, what you can do here is you can log in as a personal login as well. So here you get your login screen, and you can log into your own application in here. So basically this logo will be replaced by your logo. The domain name, if you have your own, will be replaced by your domain. And here your users will be able to create affiliate campaigns. Now let me show you how that works. So when I click on new project here, I can say what kind of project would I like to create. So I can type my text in here if I like to do that. But in this case, I say Rocket Clips. This is our previous launch product. And what I can do here is I can scrape a URL. So what I do, I paste our Rocket Clips sales page URL here. And this can basically be any offer. If you promote Rocket Clips as an affiliate, you can put that sales page in here, but you can add any sales page in here. And what I can do here is I can say scrape URL. Now, when I do that, do you see what happened? It scraped all the content of that specific page. So what I can do here is I can click here on log here. And when I do that, it will log this content for me, and I can start creating affiliate campaigns on the next screen. So basically what it's doing now, it generates a campaign here, a summary of the sales page. As you can see, it's created a nice writing of this product. Now I can give this project a name, so I'm going to call this Rocket Clips here. And here you can say your target audience. This is optional, so I'm not going to fill this out. A summary, and this is where it becomes interesting. So basically what the affiliate system is doing is it allows you to create all these different campaigns. So you can create an email sequence, bonus page brief, Facebook post, TikTok script, video scripts, hashtags, campaign strategy, and bonus info. So it also comes with bonuses as well, hundreds of bonuses as well. So let's say we want to do an email sequence in here. We're going to select the email sequence. We can choose the language in here, what we like to choose from. And we can set the tone here. So let's say we want to do this enthusiastic, because that's what I am. And then in here, you can select the bonuses that are being provided by the affiliate system. So you could choose from these categories here. So if you're in email, you simply select email, and then you have these bonuses that are about email. So let's say I want to do email marketing profits. I'm going to select this bonus. And then the second bonus, I'm going to do the next one, build your list. And then the next bonus here, and look at all these bonuses. I'm going over it pretty quickly, but these are all bonuses that will be provided to you. So let's say white label profit plan, and all the delivery domains, the delivery of these bonuses will also be done by the system. So build your audience here. And let's say bonus 5 here, just let's randomly pick one here, this one. So now I have a campaign. I want to have an email sequence. I want to have these bonuses, and I'm going to click generate. And what this will do is it will generate a full email sequence that I can send out to my list for Rocket Clips, the page that we just grabbed from our sales page, Rocket sales page. Now it's going to write emails for Rocket Clips sequences, follow-up emails, and a scarcity email at the end from, hey, time's up, make sure you purchase this. So let me show you what it has created. So here you can see, there it is. This is email 1. Instantly create viral video clips with Rocket Clips. And then, hey, here's the first email. And then we have the second email here. And then we have the third email here. And then we have the fourth email here. You see that? So it creates all these, and it also says with my exclusive bonuses. So bonus 1 here, email marketing profits. Bonus 2, build your list. So it automatically adds these bonuses to your emails as well, as you can see here. So it's writing out the bonuses. And then email 5, last chance to get Rocket Clips at a discount here. And that is your email campaign. That's just one of the types that you can create. But you can also say, I want to create Facebook posts, for example, for this specific offer, because you're promoting this, and you click on generate, and now it will create a Facebook posts, multiple posts for you that you can use to promote. Now I'm saying you here, but basically this is for your user where you're selling this software to, but you can also use this software yourself to create affiliate campaigns. So here you can see it created Facebook post 1, Facebook post 2, Facebook post 3. And then the next thing you can say, I want to have a TikTok script here, and you can generate, and it generates a TikTok script for you. There you go. You see, here is the TikTok script. And basically you can create all of this. Also the bonus info. Here you have the bonus page that you can send to people that have purchased the product here. It comes with bonus delivery URLs, etc., bonus name, descriptions, and everything's being saved. So when I go back here to my email sequence, the email sequences are here. When I go back to my Facebook posts, the Facebook posts are here. So when I save all here and I go back to manage my projects in here, so I already done this before with Rocket Clips, as you can see here, but when I open this campaign, everything is still in here. When I go to the email sequence, you see the email sequence is in here. So basically it's an affiliate management system where you can create affiliate campaigns and all the content that you need for a specific affiliate offer. So that is the first application that you're going to get as a white label app. Now, the next thing is a content system that you can sell under your own brand. So let me log into the content system and show you what that is. So I'm logging in, and here I can create a new project, and I'm going to give this project a name. So I'm going to do demo. And what the content system is doing and allowing you to do is it allows you to create blog content and also post that blog content to your WordPress website. So basically you create the blog post in here and you can push that to WordPress. That's pretty cool. So you can say here, okay, what do I like to write about? And let's say we do how to make cheesecake. I don't know. You can say the max amount of word, the category here. If you have categories, you can create them. The language, again, that you can choose from, and the writing tone. So let's say we want to do this informative. You simply click on generate here, and it's going to generate posts for you. So suggestions for posts here. So are you ready to elevate your cheesecake game? Learn how to make the creamies. Well, you can choose from one of these. So let's just pick one. And now it's going to generate a blog post for us. And not only that, also a TikTok script, a Facebook post. So it's not only a blog post, it's also going to generate the extra content that you need to promote that blog post. So right here, it's ready, as you can see. So this is the blog post, and as you can see, it's being written here. Now you can also generate images. It's under this tab here, image. So I can say generate an image here of a cheesecake. So the prompt type custom, I can also say, what do I like to see here? What type I'd like to create, what type of image. So let's say photographic. And now the AI is generating the image for me. And there you go. This is the cheesecake that has been created, the image that has been created. Now, going back to the blog post here, when you have your plugin installed, or your user, just how you want to say it, you can post it directly to WordPress. And you can say here, don't post the image, or post the image, and then it will also post the image. And here you can select your blog. So you can add multiple blogs to this tool. So this is the blog post. But look at this. It also created Facebook posts. It also created a TikTok video. It also created a tweet, and it also created an email here for this specific piece of content. And once you save it all, it's being saved and you can access this anytime. So this is the second application. So the third application that you're going to get is the image generator here. So again, you can deploy this on your own domain, white label. I'm not going to repeat that probably at the end, but here you can say personal login so that I can show you what the app does. So this is another app which you can brand with your own logo here. So you basically say new project here. And from here, you could give this a name. So let's call this demo again. And from here, you can choose your category or create. You can set the width and the height. You can also change it yourself in here. You see that? So you can change the width and the height in here, what you like to create. Or you can choose from the preset sizes. So you could say, I want an HD or Amazon ebook cover, or maybe you want to do a Facebook cover photo, or a profile photo, or an Instagram profile photo, or a landscape. So you could choose from this list here. It comes with a lot of options here. So let's say we want to do a Facebook cover photo. Then you can see this is the size. Now, what you can do from here is you can add an image. So when I go to image here, I can upload an image, or I can say AI image. So let's say we do a prompt here. Let's say a man posing in a suit for a photo shoot. And you could say, I want to enhance the prompt, so that makes it better. And then you can say vivid or natural. And then you could change the size in here. If you like to create a big one, let's say we want to do something like this. And then the image style here that you can choose from. So you have all these different styles that you can choose from. So I think the bokeh, I really like bokeh art because that's going to blur the background. So you're going to click generate, and now the AI will generate the image for you that you can modify in this builder. And there you go. So this is the image. Now it has not rendered it correctly because the face is also bokeh now. So you need to probably give another prompt, but you get the idea, right? So you can resize the image so that it is perfect for your banner here, your Facebook banner. As you can see, it's a big photo, so we need to resize this whole photo, but you can place it exactly inside of this placeholder here. So let's assume that this photo was a sharp photo. You have this picture in here, and then you can add different things here. So you can say, I want to have a text layer, for example, on top of it here. And you could change this to anything. So Tim Verdau. And then you can change the fill color here. So let's say, I think I need to select this here and then say, oh no, it's here, this one, black. I want to have this white, for example. Choose, no. Okay, so I should be able to change the color in here, but somehow it's not picking this color. So I'll be reaching out to Richard because I had an issue today with the app and they fixed it. So probably this needs to be fixed. So this will work 100% when you get access to it. But it's a basic image editor, as you can see. It's a creator and an editor. You can align text here. So choose the font, download as a PNG. Here you have bring it to the front, bring it to the back. So you have different layers. You can add drop shadow here, remove drop shadow. Decrease, increase, crop the image. You can also add shapes here. So if you want to add a circle here, you could do that as well, as you can see here. Stuff like this. And then you can save your campaign and you can download this image and use. So basically, you have all your projects again in here that you can modify. Here, for example, this was a bus riding. This was another image, also with bokeh, so that you can see the effect. So the bus is sharp and the rest is bokeh here. And that is the image creating part, the white label part of the software. And then the final software that's coming with the front end is the social system here. So let me open that app as well. Let me log in. And here you can create projects as well. So when I click on new project in here, I can give this project a name. So I'm going to call this demo again. You can choose your target audience. And here you can choose what you like to create. Now look at this. The social system allows you to create all these different types of Facebook, YouTube video description, video titles, text generated, video scripts, grow your YouTube channel, YouTube ads. So let's say YouTube ads and here the language English, and let's say we want to do this enthusiastic again, and then the subject in here. So let's say here, train your dog, and then I'm going to click on generate, and it will create YouTube ads for me. As you can see here, this is a YouTube ad now. I can switch this between anything. So I can say a TikTok script here, and I'm going to click on generate, and it generates the TikTok script here. You see that? And when I go back here to YouTube ads, everything is being saved. So you can create all these campaigns here and everything will be saved. And then you can simply copy this and use this on these platforms. But you will be able to create all these different types here: Pinterest ads, Instagram IDs, Instagram ads, Twitter posts, Twitter X, hashtag generator, and it goes on. But I cannot show you that because it's outside of my monitor right here, my recording monitor. But this is basically what the what is called the social system is all about, and all of that is inside one platform that I just showed you, where you can manage this. Now you can log in as an admin within each application. Let me show you that as well. So for example, the affiliate system, the one that I showed you at the beginning here, when you go to here, you have your personal login that I showed you that you can use yourself, and here you got the admin info. So here you got your login details for the admin panel, but it created an admin panel for you. Here you also have where you can register users for this account, where they can create an affiliate account. You can log into the software here. So let me log into the admin area and let me show you what you can do there. So right now I'm logged into the admin settings of one of the apps. And when I go to settings here, you can see that you can change everything here. So for example, if you want to change this logo of this app to make it white label, you can upload the logo in here. But let me go from the left to the right. So here we have the terms link. You can add your own terms link if you want to add that. You can add your own support link in here. You can add your own support email. Logout direct, you can change that. We'll keep it the way it is. Your username in here, an admin password. And in here, if you want to automate things, you have your Warrior Plus security key of your JVZoo instant payment notification secret key here. Now, what this will do is when somebody, let's say you add this product to JVZoo, you're going to sell your white label product through JVZoo platform. When somebody purchases through you, through JVZoo, it automatically creates an account in the backend here. And that's the cool thing about instant payment notifications. It communicates with the backend and they get access to this tool automatically. Now from here you have different settings. So you could say the API key mode. I want to have the users that they use their own key, their API key of their own OpenAI key, or they can use my key. So if you have a subscription model, you could use your key. And otherwise, you can say, hey, you need to use your own OpenAI key. You can also here have a master API key. You can work with credit system, yes or no. So if you want to allow them to purchase credits, you can also do that in here. You can allow to register yes or no. So when I do no here, nobody will be able to register through the link that we just saw in that screen. The color scheme here, you can change that. You can change the AI model in here, the preset. You can choose between these two. And you can also upload your own HTML to the sales page. Now let me save this. And there you go. So now my settings are being saved. Now there are also ad settings where you can have your ad links and menu text settings. Now honestly, I haven't found out yet what this is because the tutorials are not all finished right now while I'm recording this review. But probably this will be on your sales page where you can add your own banners, etc., your own menus, and that. We have auto responder integrations for this specific app, so you can send emails automatically when somebody purchases. We have lead capture here, where you can also use these autoresponders in here. And then the sales page. So it also comes with a basic sales page, as you can see here. So this is the basic sales page that you can modify here in the backend. So you can change things in here. And if you upload your own HTML, it will most probably use that, if I understand correctly. So that is just within one application. So you can go into each application and modify it as your own application. And this is just one white label software that you're going to get access to. You're going to get access to the second white label software here. And then the third is the image creator here. And then the social system is the fourth. And available upgrades allows you to get up to 10 and even every month an extra white label app as well. So I think I showed the most important part of this app. I think you got a good idea now what you can expect when you get access to MicroSAAS. And if you're interested, again, check out the link in the description for the pricing, coupons, my bonuses that you're going to get if you pick this up through my link. And if you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comments below. And for now, thank you so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up if this video was useful, and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I do a lot of product reviews, and if that's interesting to you, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you get notified each time I upload a new review. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Cheers.